Hi, this is Michael Sandler with Fisher-Sandler, answering your questions about bankruptcy. Well, my internet guy tells me that a lot of you out there in interland are on the Google machine looking for information about exemptions, which means what property you can protect while you're in bankruptcy. When you file a Chapter 7 case, about a month after you file, there is a trustee, and the trustee's job is to see if he can take any of your stuff to auction it off or otherwise sell it and pay your creditors. That doesn't happen very often, maybe 1 out of 20 cases. It's usually with someone with a house with a lot of equity or property that otherwise is not exempt. What I mean by not exempt is Virginia gives you a number of exemptions to protect your property. So, for instance, you have a $5,000 exemption to protect your household goods, furniture, electronics, that type of thing. And we're not talking about what you paid for it. We're talking about what it's worth now if you put it on your front lawn or take it to a pawn shop. You have a $1,000 exemption for clothing. There are exemptions for heirlooms and for wedding rings and for firearms. There's all kinds of exemptions. Another important one is a $6,000 exemption for equity in a car, which I think is going up under a new law the 1st of July 2024, so you can protect even more equity in your car. Most people, car loans are upside down. They don't need to worry about it, and I haven't had a trustee go after a client's car in at least a decade. But it's good to know the exemption is there to protect equity if you have a car loan. And then, of course, most important exemption to a lot of people is $25,000 that you have in your primary residence. And again, that's going up also July 1st, 2024 to $50,000. So that means a married couple can protect $100,000 equity in your home, which is very valuable and helpful for people to keep their homes. And then you also have a wild card exemption called the Homestead Exemption for $5,000 that you can use for whatever you want, which means cash in the bank or investments like your Robinhood account or cryptocurrency, things like that. If you have your own property that you're worried about protecting, that you're wondering if the trustee is going to take it, please feel free to give me a call or shoot me an email as close as your phone. Hi, this is Michael Sandler with Fisher-Sandler, answering your quick bankruptcy questions with quick answers. So one question that comes up from time to time is people want to know if bankruptcy has any kind of